and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be cooking goat meat, and so I'm going to show you my ingredients. The first is onion, and I have salt here. So this time around I'm using sea salt. I have it here, and I also have some stock cubes. These are not cubes. I also have Cameroon pepper here. I prefer to use Cameroon pepper because of the great flavor. I also have peppersoup seasoning and some dry and blended crayfish and mint leaf, and of course I have water here. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for my goat meat pepper soup today. I'm using goat meat head, so this is very exciting. This is a recipe that a lot of Nigerians like. So let's cook together. So I have put in the water and the onion. I have the sea salt, and I also have the nut cubes. So I'm adding these ingredients from the beginning. Like I said earlier on, I'm using goat meat head for this pepper soup. It's a mixture of goat meat head and also goat meat. So for these ingredients that I've added now, I'm going to mix everything together, and then I'll wait for it to boil. When it starts boiling, I'll wait for it to boil for about 10 minutes before adding other ingredients. So it's been boiling for about 20 minutes now, 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add the Cameroon pepper and also the pepper soup spice. At this point I'm adding this too, and I'm going to allow it to boil for additional 10 minutes. I'm going to mix the ingredients together again and boil it for additional 10 minutes. So the next thing I'm going to pour in is the prawn. I'm going to be pouring in the blended prawn and also mint leaf. The last ingredient to go in is the mint leaf. And I'm just going to leave it to boil for about 5 more minutes. I'll mix it now and wait for 5 more minutes of boiling, and it's going to be ready. Yeah, so our goat head pepper soup is pretty much ready, and it is looking really yummy. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe before you leave today, and watch out for my next video. I have a whole lot of other videos coming your way, so remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell, also like and comment on this video. Tell me what you like about this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye.